going to be doing another slime video, except hopefully this time it won't fail.
Yeah, what she said.
First it's time for the glue! Glue, check! But now we need to activate our slime.
That's only when you open it though. Maybe it? Maybe.
Oh, something is happening. Look at that!
That's too much, Ella! I think I might have fallen for activated, guys.
Just try it.
Okay. It's
Because look, mine is being...
Oh no! Ella.
It will work.
It won't.
Hopefully.
Whoa, look at the pattern, Ella. It's making lines.
Yeah, it is. Mine's making a bunch of dots.
I think
This
I've
is a workout for your arm.
I think I've overactivated, guys. Look. Hello, darkness, my old friend. I'd like to talk with you again.
Zoom in mode.
There's bubbles in it. Think I've overactivated. Because mine's just going like a sloppy mess like the
Bubbles.
last time. It's hard. I don't know what's happened to mine. It's like stringy. Mine's stringy, look. It's stringy. I don't know why. We made slime! Look!
It isn't a fail.
Oh, the spring's sticking to it. Whoa! Whoa! Spring got...
Whoa. Well, we've learned that if you knead it, it gets less sticky. Except it's still slime. It's amazing.
It also pulls.
Let's get rid of the bowls.
Let's put them out. Now let's put the slime on the table. Mine's kind of working.
I don't have any. It makes
This was the best slime we've ever made because the first time we made it, it was a fail, wasn't it?
Go and check out that video. It makes a weird
Guys.
sound. I think now, if you're ready for it, we should split it up into parts and then add all the ingredients in.
Yeah.
Oh, that was actually really easy.
I'm putting mine into full. There we go. I put mine in full.
Well, I'm going to add gold glue to it.
I want to add
I don't know how much I should add.
I'm just going to add a little bit.
Work. It's paint, so
there we go.
it should be
I'm
easy.
adding this glue.
Oh, goodness.
Oh, that was
Wait, where is it?
What?
It's just disappeared. Oh wait, there's a little bit.
Oh, look, Ella.
Yes.
Ella, it's mixing it.
Oh goodness.
It's kind of. It's getting it more unsticky. It's making it more unsticky, Ella. So I added this purple glue into my slime and it's made it even more sticky. So now I'm adding the foam balls to this slime. So look.
I've just decided to add the pink glue.
But it's too sticky for the table, so
Not glue. I
we
mean,
put it in my bowl. Oh. Thank you. Right. Get. This will not make it less sticky. Whoa, Ella, look at this.
wow. That's not slime. That's goo.
I want to keep it.
Why isn't this coming out?
Look.
It shows the film on.
Everyone, be quiet. Look. It's sticking to my hand even more than. Oh my god, it's melting off the table! Ella.
Megan, put it on the table.
I'm trying to! Ah! I can't get this off my hand! I can't get it off my hand. Oh my god, it made a slime. I can't do it because my pants
Oh goodness.
now my hands
And
are
I'm just
ASMR-y.
adding all of the paint on.
Is this ASMR, sister?
It's messy. That's what it is.
It's ASMR messy. Wait. Ella!
Blue now. I have added a bunch of blue paint in. So now I'm going to add the blue glitter in.
Now I need to add some blue paint in because I'm doing
open
my
it.
next one.
I can't open it because my hands are that slimy. Oh no.
System number 2 is opened. And system number 3 is going to open.
Blue
Very soon.
glitter.
Okay. Now I need some blue glitter.
This one.
She is so. Oh my god. This is still. Right, I'm
just
using
Megan.
I have some gold glitter.
Yeah, sure. That's the last type of glitter.
Can you please open this for me?
Assistant number 1.
Assistant number 2 is
No, her
coming
name
out.
is assistant number 1.
Okay, thank you, mother.
She's not our mother anymore.
Okay, that's all
Well-
I'm gonna add.
This has tons of blue glitter in. First slime achieved. Oh goodness, my t-shirt.
Mine's
whatever.
pretty now. Mine's actually really pretty.
Slime number 2. Oh, it's a pancake.
Where's my other slime?
Slime number 2, I'm going to add. Do you want some ladybugs?
No. I don't want ladybug.
Because I'm going to add some purple foam balls.
Don't add all of them.
I'm not, because I don't think that all of them would exactly work. Ah!
Wait, what did that?
Ah!
How is your slime really not sticky?
Because I didn't add that weird glue stuff. I've added some foam balls.
Oh, it's just. Don't tell mother. It's on my pants.
That is just a fail.
Oh my god, there's glue on my top. It's everywhere.
You can have some.
They're escaping everywhere. Oh no, they're going in
There
this
we are.
slime. They're going in this slime. This one's a nice wavy blue. I like it. It's like the sea.
I think I'm going to call this
I
the
think I'm
tropical tree with a bunch of ladybugs and purple things in it. Perfect.
I think I'm gonna call my slime the blue ocean.
That's a nice
The
name.
blue ocean. This
Oh, no,
slime
mine-
is called the blue ocean.
Third slime.
I love this.
Time to add a bunch of buttons. Buttons. Oh no, they're getting stuck everywhere. Oh, goodness.
Ella, look. Shh, everyone be quiet. It's ASMR time.
Why are you obsessed with ASMR?
Shh. Be quiet, you need to make me. Okay, be quiet. That was the ASMR by Megan, featured by Megan. Hashtag not sponsored by Megan. Okay.
You know what? I'm going to try to make a slime. Oh, it's got a bubble. Burger. This is the lettuce of it. That I'm going to try to dye it gold or every single colour because that would make brown. And then that can be the bun. I am going into my...
Pour it in.
And a little
I
bit
made
of
a
pink.
Okay, now
And
it's on to the next slime.
Maybe a little bit more. Okay.
Now I'm gonna.
Not much blue though. 'Cause
I don't know what to
power it.
add.
Blue, and then finally green.
Okay, can I get?
Well, Megan's just having a catastrophic disaster over there. I'm trying to make.
Oh, it isn't a catastrophic sound.
She can't.
I don't. All my words are backwards.
Good enough.
I'm gonna add a little.
This is
bit.
sort of turning pink.
Ella's just adding all of her ingredients, but some of them she's adding all, and some of them she's saving. I'm saving all.
Look at that slime stretch.
There's a bubble.
Oh, that's very sticky. It's lovely.
It's stringy.
Then we'll go mix, because that's what you do with a slime.
Mix, slime.
But then it melts it down, and then hopefully it'll turn into slime again. Look at that. See, look at that. That's very melty.
Need it.
What? I should make a rainbow of slime. That would be cool, except we don't have all the colours, so we can't.
Oh.
Oh goodness.
Huh.
That's my slime drip. I think it is time to make mine a slime smoothie.
This one's just
It's crunchy.
completely not stretchy. You can stretch it and you can rip it. That's kind of weird.
Did you just get my head in that?
Okay, burger toothpaste.
Yeah, it's the lettuce.
Oh.
Goodness.
And the tomato.
Here is the tomato.
And then that's the top.
That wasn't really a burger.
Now it's mixed in. I'm not mixing my slimes in.
What?
I'm not mixing my slimes in. I'm not. I made you do it.
We actually made slime.
I can't believe that we actually made slime. This is very sticky slime.
Yeah. Here is my slime. Somehow it turned out blue with buttons, ladybugs, foam balls, and sequins in it. But I don't really care because it's lovely and I love it. Oh goodness. I like it. But Megan didn't decide to mix all of her stuff.
I made her mix them. So this is first one of my slimes. And then I can't get it off my hands. I'm putting it in the bowl because that one's like the stickiest one and I don't want it to stick to the table forever. It's super sticky. Now,
Don't you dare. Lovely and blue.
it's a nice slime. Okay, give it back to me. I'm just going to quickly hold it. And then there's this pink slime. I like this one too, so I'm going to put that one down. Next is this gold slime.
We actually made slime instead of porridge.
Yeah, it's melting.
If you don't know what we mean by porridge, go and check out our fail slime video and you will pretty soon know what it's about.
If you go and watch that video,
It's crazy.
hit the bell so you don't miss any of our videos we upload. And like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
Goodbye!